Hello there, thanks for joining us. In this video, we're going to be talking about Canada's Express Entry program. What is Express Entry? Who needs to apply for Express Entry? What happens after you get into the Express Entry pool? Does it mean that you're automatically going to become a Canadian permanent resident? We'll have answers to all of these questions after the break. And as always, remember to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. We'll be right back. Welcome back. My name is Donovan Francis and I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer, and I help skilled workers who are inside Canada and those who are outside Canada. I help them to become Canadian permanent residents without having to deal with all of the complicated legal forms that are part of that process. Now, Canada's permanent residency application process involves a system that's known as the Express Entry system. Now, this system is used as a means to sift out applicants, people who are applying for permanent residency under one of the economic programs. So, if you're wanting to apply to become a Canadian permanent resident using a program known as the Federal Skilled Worker Program, or you're wanting to apply under another program known as the Federal Skilled Trades Program, or if you're here in Canada and you want to apply under the Canadian Experience Class Program, all of these programs are assessed. The government assesses these programs through a system known as the Express Entry system. Now, the Express Entry system allows the government to rank applicants based on certain factors. It ranks applicants based on your education level. It ranks applicants based on your number of years of experience. It ranks applicants based on your age. And it also ranks applicants based on your ability to speak, to listen to, and to write either English or French. So all of those four factors are taken into consideration by the Express Entry system, and the persons who are eligible, who meet the basic eligibility, are put into a pool of eligible applicants. Now, one thing that is very important to bear in mind, and something that many clients coming to us oftentimes do not understand, is that getting into the Express Entry pool is a good thing, but it does not mean that you're guaranteed being invited to apply for Canadian permanent residency. The truth is that the permanent residency application process really has two tiers. The first tier is the Express Entry process, which allows you to get into that pool of eligible applicants. But then, after you've gotten into the pool of eligible applicants, you then have to score relatively highly in order to receive an invitation to apply. And that invitation to apply will allow for the government to pull your name out of the pool of applicants and invite you to apply to become a Canadian permanent resident. Now, that distinction is important. So again, getting into the Express Entry pool does not assure you of Canadian permanent residency. All it does, it puts you into the pool of eligible applicants. It means you would have met the basic eligibility requirements. However, that in and of itself would not be sufficient. You now need to be scoring at a rate that is high enough and that is competitive enough to allow for the government of Canada, when they do their regular Express Entry draws, to pull your name from that pool. Now, the required score can vary from time to time, but generally speaking, in order to get selected from the pool of eligible applicants, you would need to be scoring in and around 470 points, give or take, in order to receive an invitation to apply. And it is only after receiving this invitation to apply do you actually now apply for permanent residency, right? Meaning you put your application in for permanent residency, you provide all of the supporting documentation that are required, you have your lawyer prepare a submissions letter to explain any deficiencies, to explain any issues, to ensure everything is organized. All of that happens after you've received an invitation to apply, not at the point in time when you're applying to be selected into the Express Entry pool. And so I just wanted to take this time just to explain that distinction to you. I hope you found value from this video. And as always, remember to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. Thanks for joining.